How to change the color scheme display colors for your Redmi Note 13 Pro phone and also find the advanced settings. This is the Chinese model phone with the global ROM. When you're ready to change these settings, use the quick panel access, and with HyperOS, you'll need to find the settings toggle here as the fastest way to the main settings of your Redmi Note 13 Pro phone. Once in this section here, you'll want to go down and look for display right there. And as you enter here now, you'll go down some more until you see color scheme. As you enter to the color scheme section, you'll see your usual set of options: vivid, standard, saturated, and the advanced settings. All right. With these three selected here, you will see this option here with the color temperature, which you can go about to change. And with the advanced settings here, you'll notice that you won't be able to change anything with that, okay? You can use that image provided here to get an idea of the colors that it changes to. Now, when you have switched over to the advanced settings here, you will see this little arrow right here. You'll tap on that once, and that's going to take you to this section here where you can get access to more different color settings. You got the P3 sRGB here. You can adjust these colors here as well. And you have so much more going on here. If you somehow have your colors look all weird like this here, check the hue here. Maybe you might have accidentally messed with that there, and the saturation and all that stuff. If you've made too much changes and you want to reset it, go to discard, and it'll take you back to how it was originally on the display settings section here. Okay, you got all these other options here, such as saturation, and that's what the advanced settings does, giving you full control of your colors here on your Redmi Note 13 Pro phone. Okay, so if you're looking for these settings, that's where you would go to do this. Like and sub.